You're welcome to GMats class. Now, another question under logical reasoning. Now, let P be 5 is prime number and the Q be 2 is odd number. Find the truth value of 1. P and negation of Q. 2. Negation of P and the negation of P, Q, or negation of P. Now, to do the first one, we need to get the truth value of P and the truth value of Q. So now, what is the truth value of P? 5 is prime number. 5 is prime number. It is true that 5 is prime number. So 5 is a prime number, so I will write true. That's the truth value for that. Now, the other one, that's Q. Q is 2 is odd number. 2 is odd number. It is false that 2 is odd number. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. So, but 2 is divisible by 2. So that makes it to be false. So that means Q is F. That's false. Now from here, you can now substitute inside this proposition. So we have P and negation of Q. So P have a truth value of true. So we have true and the negation of Q. So Q is what? F. So that's false. So we now have true and the negation of false is true. Okay? So negation of false is true. So we now say true and true. True and true will give us true. So that's the first one. Now the second one, we have negation of P and negation of Q or negation of P. So we just substitute the value. Our P is true and our Q is what? False. So we have negation of true and negation of Q is false. That's false. Or negation of P is true. That's true. So now let's settle this one and this. So we have, what's negation of true? Opposite of true. That's false. So that means we have F and negation of false or negation of true is false. So we have false here. Okay. So we settle the one inside the bracket now. We have false and negation of false or false. False or false is false. So negation of false. Okay. So we now have false and negation of false is true. Negation of false is true. So we have false and true. And that gives you what? False and true give you what? False. So that is the answer. We have false. So the answer is